Hello friends, Marcy here. Quick plan with me in the Hobonichi weeks. I did put some of this one in my A6, and this is from the monthly April monthly kit. So I had some leftover pieces and able to use that in my A6. So gorgeous stuff. All right, so I have options here. I can this will be for tomorrow, Monday the 4th. And I can use this pink or lilac date line from Plan to Create. It's the Etsy shop, Plan to Create. I had ordered some of those just for fill-ins. Or these as I had originally thought I could do, but I think I'll use up some more of these. And what's different about these, when I used my dekdesigns strip, it's all one piece, and I have to remember that these are individual for each day. So I know on Life as Me, she always redates her Hobonichi weeks, and she puts her Sunday at the top. This might be a good option for her. I'll have to remind her about that, because she makes her weekend on like her days off, and she likes to have her week start on Sunday. So she goes to all the revamping of her day of the week and dates in her Hobonichi weeks. She's quite creative. I really enjoy her channel. I have linked her one of her videos on mine before because I liked the way she was doing her ink swatches for her fountain pen in the back, because she put like some of the printer paper, because I do print inserts for my A5 wide and the pocket now, which I was planning on moving into my pocket rings this week and out of the Hobonichi weeks, but I haven't. I did print and cut and punch a lot more of the inserts for the pocket today, but I just haven't moved in yet. I'm taking care of other tasks and it's no hurry. So I can add the dates here before I forget. Monday will be the 4th. Oh, let me get my ink flowing. This is the Pilot Vanishing Point. This is the Decimo in fine. And it is inked with, I'm gonna pay attention to my numbers. It is inked with the Diatramentis, if I have it here, archival document ink for the Hobonichi pages. Okay, 4 through 8. And then our weekend. All right, and I am gonna set up the same where I record my weather. Actually, yeah, I like to record the weather just so one thing, it's a memory keeper for all the crazy roller coaster weather that we do have, but two, it just helps me plan on clothing that I'll be using for that week. So, and it's quite simple to do. Not difficult at all to add the little boxes. I will have to look it up on my phone though, that I'm using right now for recording. I could look on my iPad, but it's in the other room. So I'll get to it later. Okay. Also, a line down the middle to divide tasks that I want to remember for the workday and my home. So this doesn't have a lot of home plan stuff in it because it's my bridge, it's my everyday carry. If I have it with me at work, I can look in it and see if I have a commitment on after work hours, or if I have it with me at home, I can see if I can make a personal commitment for days I might have meetings after work, or longer days. So that's just that. It's just in between, because I do have a separate planner for work and I do have a separate planner at home. This just goes both places because I don't carry all my planners with me. So so I have this. I think it'll be gorgeous with this kit, the colors. So at the bottom I'll put, I was thinking I could just use the 15 millimeter at the bottom, but yeah, I may have to put a layer of the 10 above that. It's quite nice weather today. I'm saying that as I'm realizing I'm warm. The weather's been nice. We just have the doors and windows open, enjoying the fresh air once again. But I'm in here in my office room and with no window open today, and it's getting a little stuffy. Feeling a little bit of stuffiness. So yeah, the bows are a little smaller there. I want to go under my weather box. Let me put a more slim 5 millimeter tape on the top of that one there, and go ahead and use the 10 at the top. Yeah, that fits perfectly there. Looks nice. Anyway, nice weather. We did have rain overnight, which was Friday night into Saturday, yesterday morning. And everything's very moist outside, but it's not too humid for having the moisture because our temps aren't really up yet. Let's do, this is a narrow one. A little bit of purple with some heart and confetti. And it'll be perfect size just to fill in this gap here. But tomorrow we're expecting more rain with thunderstorms overnight and even more rain on Tuesday, but that's fine because we really need the rain here in Texas. So the local news weather meteorologist said that Sunday would be the perfect day for gardening with the sunshine, and then followed by a couple days of rain. So it's like, I think he's correct. And I still have these washies here. I think I'll save those for the A6 or use them in journaling, because I'm not going to be using them on the vertical page, which is what they're sized for. Okay, and I don't have the weekend banner here, so I'm going to do what I did last week. Actually, there should, no, that's a day off banner. Be an extra one from my other kit, but we're good. So this is the addition from last week, and I'm just going to put a little bow. That's a mild liner, and it doesn't say the color on there. We're just going to have a little bow here to divide the weekend. Too cute. And then I do know that on Monday I have some Happy Mail from FedEx. It's a Hobonichi order. In a previous video I did share the petite roses that I ordered from Jet Pens on the A6, and I had discussed all the reasons why I didn't order the A5. And then after the video I went back to Jet Pens to order it and they were out of stock. So I did end up placing the order for that one at the Hobonichi website. And anxious for it to arrive. They were very quick. Coming from Japan, I usually get my orders, you know, within a week. So it's kind of fabulous. And then I have some AirPods coming in that I'm going to be using when I move, change my handbag and tote to my cloud tote. So I want the AirPods for that. Anyway, I'm excited that those are coming in. And I do have, as far as work, I have a meeting after and it will be 3:45 to 5 o'clock or whenever. One more highlight I want to give here is the same as last week. We are still testing in the testing window for Star Alt 2. And that's going to be all week. So I'm just going to put a long banner. The ink's still wet. I got a smudge on my hand here and laid it on my paper. So that will continue through April 22nd or until I complete them. All right, and no other known meetings throughout the week, and no scheduled after school tasks or meetings, after work tasks or meetings right now. So I left all that open like I did last week. I started with a lot of opens, but throughout the week I was able to fill it in with needs and tasks. So I think we're going to get a lot more use out of these stickers. Oh, I do want to put my tracker down. Can use this one like we did last week. Come in handy, and then have some place for notes. Always enjoy some coffee. You know what? STEM on Tuesdays, the STEM teacher has the kids selling coffee. So they sell coffee on a coffee cart and they deliver it to our room, and it's from the Keurig. So that Tuesday is Coffee Tuesday from the STEM class. Every morning delivered fresh and delicious. Not every morning, every Tuesday morning. So that's an enjoyable thing to look forward to, which should have been over here. But I will look forward to it anyway. And then Sunday afternoons, of course, it's always some plan with me time. And the weekends are all the tidying duties. Consist of dishes and grocery errands. And the sticker's kind of large, but we're good. Some laundry. Watering the plants, of course. Oh, I'm going over on my... Here we go. Cute, cute, cute. Weekends are always a fabulous time for preparing a great meal and washing bedding. So this is loaded up. Love it. Have lots of fun icon stickers to get through. And let's just have Boo Bear right up here enjoying some coffee. Okay, well, I'm loving it. It's always easy to get a few stickers in the Hobonichi weeks. I don't want to sticker up too much because I need to leave room for plans to happen and then add them to my planner as needed. So that's just a quick plan with me, sticker with me, and I hope you have a fabulous week. I'll see you next time. Blessings.